Hi everyone. Today I'm reviewing the MT5 EA Golden Hen EA sold on MQL5 using both the forward results and a long-term backtest. Bottom line, the short-term forward performance looks good, but the long-term robustness is unclear. So as of today, my rating is cautious. This is not financial advice. Please make your own decisions. First, the forward test. This EA has a public signal on MQL5, which is a plus. At least the real trading history is visible to third parties. However, keep in mind this is only a snapshot as of today. When the track record is short, the numbers can look great but still be statistically meaningless. As of January 12, 2026, the signal shows about 4 weeks of history, roughly plus 30% growth, 13 trades, about a 69% win rate, and a profit factor of 2.88. On the surface, that looks strong for a short period, and the balance between average profit and average loss doesn't look extreme. But with only 13 trades, win rate and profit factor can swing a lot due to randomness. Also, it's 100% long and 0% short, so the performance may be biased toward one market direction. So it's too early to claim this EA has a reliable edge based on the forward alone. Next, I ran my own backtest. The settings were from January 1st, 2005 to January 10th, 2026, about 20 years on XAUUSD, with an initial balance of $10,000, a fixed 0.01 lot size, default parameters, and a 60-point spread. In one sentence, results look much better after 2023, but the earlier period is weak. The balance in equity curves improve sharply after 2023 and trend upward more strongly, while the long period before that shows clear stagnation and weaker phases. This kind of strong only in recent years shape is often a warning sign. It may fail when the market regime changes, or it may be over-optimized to the recent environment. In the report, there were 2,094 trades, a profit factor of 1.14, and total net profit of plus $2,174. And instead of drawdown percentages, which depend heavily on starting balance and lot size, I focus on absolute equity drawdown in dollars. The maximum equity drawdown reached $1,288. Even with a fixed 0.01 lot size, that is a meaningful drop, so it's risky to judge safety based only on a short-term forward snapshot. Also, the backtest was long only as well, 0 short trades. Now, the trading logic and risk characteristics. According to the developer, this EA does not use dangerous methods like grid or martingale. Each trade is managed with predefined SL/TP, and it does cut losses. It's also not a scalper that snatches a few pips. It aims for larger moves. That's a healthier baseline than loss avoidance systems that postpone losses. On the other hand, the forward trade history chart shows buy-only behavior so far, with no sell trades visible. A long-only design can work well in rising markets, but it can also become a weakness in prolonged downtrends. And based on the long-term backtest, it's still unclear whether it will hold up when market conditions change. So here's the summary. Golden Hen EA looks good on the short-term forward. Win rate and profit factor are attractive, but the history is short and the sample size is small, so reliability is still unknown. My about 20-year backtest shows performance is skewed toward the period after 2023, with weaker results before that, which raises serious concerns about long-term robustness. As of today, my verdict is, the baseline design isn't bad, but long-term viability is unclear, so I'm leaning wait and see. If you're considering buying or running it, I recommend tracking the forward for several months to 6 months or more, confirming the stats don't break down as trades accumulate, and running long-term backtests and demo validation in your own environment. That's it for today's Golden Hen EA review. Thanks for watching.